questions. Just let us see now. Already you wrote it now. There are two kinds of questions. They are WH questions, yes or no questions. One example also I will tell you. WH questions. Example. Who are you? That only we can write. Who are you? Yes or no questions, we can write anything. Any auxiliary we can start, even though. Can I take it? Can I take it? Just write two examples. These examples you write it, please. WH questions. WH questions. Do you want to question birds? Do you want question birds? Sana, do you want it? Yes. Okay. If it is like that, I will write question birds or I will write on the board. You can take it down. You can take it down. See, these are the question words. Who? Whose? What? Which? Where? Then? How? How many? How much? How far? How many? How much? How far? How long? How often? See, just look and write. Can you see? Okay, see. Who, what, which, where, when, how many, how much, how far, how long, how often. I want to tell you one thing. It is not my option. It's your option. You have to do it. What question word meaning you don't know. I know that some of the question words meaning you don't know. For example, how often. How often means how many times in a day or in a week, in a year. This Kannada meaning you must find it out. Understood or not? You can check it in the Google. You can check it in the Google or in the dictionary, English Kannada dictionary. There, what question word meaning you don't know, you have to find out the Kannada meaning of how often, how much, how far, how long, how many. Then you may get the doubt of how far or how long, what is the difference. Okay, you can come to me and ask, how long do you take to complete this work? Okay, so like that, how much time? How far means it shows the distance of the place. How far is it Jamkhandi from Sai Niketan? How far is it to Jamkhandi from Sai Niketan? Now I hope that you understood. What is the difference of? Okay, now our meaning you must find it out, please. Any statement sentence, that auxiliary should be taken first, after that a subject, then the rest of the thing, that is a question. Did not understand. I will clear it. with the help of an example. See. They are playing cricket. You can see. They are playing cricket. Suppose you get such a sentence and you are told to frame the question. Okay, what you have to do? They are playing cricket. First we have to take auxiliary. Are they? Are they playing cricket? Have you seen? They are playing cricket. First take the auxiliary. Then take the subject. Then rest of the thing like that only. Okay, then we can take rest of the thing like that only. They are playing cricket. If we want to turn this sentence into WH question, what are they playing? Same only. Are they playing cricket? In front of that we can add any question word. This is the method of framing the question. Now see, what are they playing? What are they playing? Are they playing cricket? I will give you some oral because we have a lot of time. Hereafter we have a short time. They are reading a book. Question: are they reading a book? Understood or not? They were swimming in the pool. Were they swimming in the pool? Understood or not? I have completed my homework. Have I completed my homework? Did you understand or not? Did you understand or not? Okay, see, whenever we frame the question, first take out the auxiliary. After that, the subject. Then the rest of the thing. Here we get a doubt. Every sentence like that only, nothing to worry, very easy to do. For example, I will do it. Will I do it? You will go out. Will you go out? I can drive a car. Can I drive a car? You can play cricket. Can you play cricket? Good or not? Repeat the video sometimes and extract the video scenario part and you can watch it. Already it is recorded in the application. You can watch it number of times and try to understand. Here we get the doubt actually how to frame the question in the simple present tense and the simple past tense. There we get a bit doubt. I will tell you that now. When we take a basic word, for example, take, takes, took. Already you noted one verb only. I have taken takes the base form only. Took is a past tense. It is past tense. It is past. These are present forms. Okay. Keenly listen to me what I said. Give me complete attention. Take, takes and took. They take a book. They take a book. In this sentence, to extract out the auxiliary is not there. Have you noticed? I am reading. Am is there. They were playing. Where is there? I can do it. Can is there. You may go. May is there. I shall do. Shall is there. Correct? No. They had completed. Had is there. But in this sentence, like that, no auxiliary is there. Have you noticed? Then how can we frame the question? That is the method. Listen to me clearly and keenly observe what I said. Note it. Okay. They take a book. If we get such a sentence, how to frame it? It is simple present tense. Which tense it is? Simple present tense. Simple present tense, when we frame the question, depend on the verb only we create the question. See, simple present tense. They take a book, we can say. She takes a book, we can say. She takes a book. Because she S verb will come. She takes a book, they take a book. If it is take, we will use the word do here. If it is takes, we will use the word does here. If it is take, do, takes, does. Write, do, writes, does. Keep, do, keeps, does. Wear, do, wears, does. Yes comes means does. Okay, understood or not? If the S is not there, do. Write, do, writes, does. If it is past tense, did will come. For example, wrote, did. Took, did. Washed, did. Understood or not? Three verbs are there. Three verbs. I will write here once again. You can see. Look. Look. Do. Looks. Does. Looked. Did. If it is past tense, did will come. Present tense, do or does will come. Understood or not, Sahana? What I tell, understood or not? Three forms of the verb is there. I tell you once again. Close. Which option will come? Close. Do will come. Closes. Does will come. Closed. Did will come. Okay, na? Okay. Jump. Do will come. Jumps. Does will come. Jumped. Did will come. Understood or not? Then next one. Turn. Do will come. Turns. Does will come. Turned. Did will come. Okay, now break. Do will come. Broke. Did will come. Breaks. Yes will come. Like that we can frame the question. Now you understood, I think. Right now. Hereafter I am going directly to framing the questions. Some oral I will give you. After that, no, I will write on the board. That is better. Okay. I know English. I know English. No. No, knows, knew. No, do. Do I know? Do I know English? Question mark. Next one. He knows English. He knows English. Knows. Knows. Does. Does he know English? Does he know English? Okay. Now you understood. They took a pen. They took a pen. They took a pen. Took. Which word will come? Did. Did they take a pen? Did they take a pen? Here in this sentence you must know that did plus past form will not use it. Okay. Did they take a pen? Okay. They opened the door. They opened the door. Yes, good. Open, do. Do they open the door? Do they open the door? I hope you understood now. Hereafter I will give you some oral. You just see. I wrote a novel. Did I write a novel? She writes a novel. Does she write a novel? They write a novel. Write, do. Do they write a novel? Okay. They ran very fast. Did they run very fast? She runs very fast. Does she run very fast? They run very fast. Do they run very fast? I hope you understood. Understood or not? You have to practice it today. See this video number of times. Then automatically you will understand it. Now do one thing. Immediately take it down. Write it down in your notebook. Write it down.
Sir, we should make separate book for grammar. Sir, we have completed.
Okay, see. As you have completed,
Yes, sir.
hereafter we are going to do some one or two examples I want to tell you again. I may go. Question, may I go? Okay, auxiliary has taken first, then subject, after that the rest of the part. Okay, I may go, may I go. He can drive a car. Can he drive a car? Can he drive a car? If the auxiliary is there, it is very easy to frame the question. Understood or not? If the auxiliary is there, it is very easy to frame the question. If the auxiliary is not there, depends on the verb we create the question. For an example, I ate a banana. I ate a banana. Ate, past tense. Did I eat a banana? He eats banana. Does he eat banana? They eat banana. Do they eat banana? I hope you understood. Okay, practice it number of times. If the verb is with the yes form, does should be used. If the verb without the yes form, do should be used. If the verb is simple past tense, their did should be used. I hope you understood. Please turn the mic on, everybody. Mic and the camera.
Sir. Mic.
Okay, dear students, already we have studied the tenses. Next, another one grammar topic I want to tell you. Briefly, we can discuss that today. How to
Sir, we
frame
should
the
make new
questions.
book for
How
grammar.
many kinds of questions are there in English? Swasti, turn the mic off. Swasti, turn the mic off. Abeksha also, Gauri and Abeksha also turn the mic off. Okay. How to frame the questions. We can study how to frame the questions. You can write a reading now. How to frame the questions. There are two kinds of questions in English language. Not in English, everywhere it is. There are two kinds of questions. There are two kinds of questions. One is WH Swasti, I fed up with her. Swasti, are you there? Because of only one that girl, I think that I have to turn the mic off here. Otherwise, that girl will disturb everybody. Who is Swasti? Turn the mic off. Still, it is there. I think that she turned the mic on and camera off and went somewhere, I think. If the sound comes, I will turn it. Can you see me now, Sahana?
Yes, sir.
You can see me now? You can see me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's Swasti, turn the mic off. W